We're going to be going over the DoTimely mobile app for customers. Once you log in, you'll be able to see all your appointments for the selected date. You can see the calendar strip on top, 27th is highlighted. And then if you want to change to a different date, you can just drag the calendar down and select any date. Let's go to 29th, back to 27th. The green bar over here means that appointment has been completed. You can click into it and see any details, if there are pictures attached to it or any other comments. Purple means they're an assigned appointment, so those appointments can be deleted or canceled or edited to make any change request given on the business permissions, that if they allow those functions. And at the bottom you can see the toolbar. You can select your appointment, which is your main page, or you can go into the chat as well. And then from the main screen, if you want to request new appointments, you click on this plus button, and then you can select the appointment you want, the date from over here, go back, and once you're done, just click on the request appointment at the bottom. And then you can access the navigation menu from the top left corner by clicking on the pancake icons. And you can go into any of the pages, appointments, open requests. Let's go into invoices. You can see which one are due, which one are paid. Click on the due invoice, and then you can see the summary of it or view the details for that particular invoice by clicking on the details. Then let's go back. If you want to make a payment for an invoice, you click on this pay button on the top right corner, and you can make the payments. You can enter your credit card information. If you have pets, that information over there, any profile or additional information can be accessed from this menu. Going back to the appointments will take you to the home page. This will get you started quickly on the DoTimely app. Thank you for listening in.